Friends, already we have discussed in the problems of India and their solutions or remedies measures. In that already we have discussed what are the problems we are facing in Indian society and how we can solve. So in that about we already discussed some of the points about terrorism or unemployment, discrimination, corruption, communalism, regionalism. So these like of examples we can see, and what are the problems in the team we can see, and how we can measure how we can solve that one particular problems. So these like of matters we already discussed in previous videos. So now we want to know another important problems. There is also nowadays in recent days, not only India, we can see overall the world countries they are facing the problem, that is corporate strategy. So this is one of the biggest problem in India, including India also, corporate strategy. Because of we all are knowing, world in our population rank is second. So this is one of the good market. So that's why we can see there are one of the important problems we are facing, that is corporate strategy. So this problem here is saying, these problems are these like of problems when came in India, means in the beginning of 20th century. Sorry, 21st century. In beginning of 21st century, we can see in India, people they facing one of the important problem, that is corporate strategy. So now we want to know what is meant by corporate strategy. So what was the problems are there in that particular corporate strategy? Because of this one subject based on about the market, about the marketing. So how this in also Indian society they facing problems, or how they creating a problem, this one situation or this one corporate strategy. So you want to know first one definition of corporate strategy. So here they saying a group of administrative measures undertaken by a company to achieve pyramidal target is called corporate strategy. Means here they saying what is meant by corporate strategy means a group of administrative system. If you are taking any one company, for example, if that company we can see some of the groups are there. There are council, commissioners we can see for the purpose of administrative system. So that group they are taking some of the measurements how we can get or how our company can get profit. So they are taking some of the measurements and they are implementing that one methods or policy. Means already they are fixing some of the amount. In this year we want to get this much of profit, 200 crores rupees or 1000 crores rupees. They are already fixing the target. And people or workers they want to should work hard for they want to reach the particular target. So this only they given as a corporate strategy. Means companies they giving pressure to workers. You want to should do this much of work. We want to reach this much of target. If you are not reach that much of target, you want to lose the job, or you are not getting the promotion, or you are not getting salary, that much of salary. So these like of blackmail also they are giving by corporate companies. So this only they called as a corporate strategy. Means the workers, the industrialist or capitalist who are invested the companies, the group of administrative, they already took some of the measurement, how much target or how much rupees we want to get in this year profit. And workers, they want to do work hard. There is no timings, but they want to reach in that period in only they want to reach that much of target. So these like of methods we can see after the 21st century. And in present situations we can see in overall world we are knowing that nowadays is globalized countries or globalized world. We can see this is competitive world. So nowadays corporate strategy is the step is more high. We can see in all the sectors we can see the corporate strategy. So they want to reach that much of target. So they are using some of the offers. Sometimes they are giving some of the donation for others, or they showing the advertisement. So these like of methods they are using to get that much of aim or objectives. So these like we can see about corporate strategy. And next one here they say, and why they using this like of corporate strategy, why they using this like of measurement, only one purpose, to get a profit. They are not thinking about human values or their lifestyle, they are not thinking. Only the corporate companies, the main aim is we want to get profit. So in that purpose only they are doing their objectives or they are doing their work. And next one point also they say, and not only this one, this like of situation, this like of corporate strategy, nowadays our society, they are thinking as a negatively. Because of nowadays, see the society also they are thinking that without money we cannot do anything. Means we need money. Means if you are involved anyone a job or anyone employment opportunity, we want to get profit. So they also already they took some of the target, some of the measurements. So on that basis only they also doing the work. So these like corporate strategy now influence to society also as a negative side. People also they are thinking as a negatively. People they are going to the work for the purpose of they also have some of the target, some of the aim. Within a year I want to buy a car, I want to buy anything. So they are also involving in any other illegal work. So these like of corporate strategy they influence to society. And not only for society, we can say government also. Sometimes government they implement some of the policy. On the time also companies, corporate companies, they influencing to government. Sometimes they want to implement the policy to favor of particular corporate companies. Because of they influencing, they supplying fund also. So these like we can see negative effects of corporate strategy. But sometimes some of the corporate companies or corporate strategy, they are doing some of the good work also. So what was the good works we can see? So here they saying the corporate companies they eradicating the poverty and malnutrition, health, skill training and many other aspect or objective based society programs also conducted by some of the corporate companies. For example, we already know Infosys, they also providing some of the scholarship for education, as some of the programs also they are implemented to empowerment of women. And we can say another important company Microsoft. So they also they using the money for eradicate of poverty as some other remedious measures. And not only these are the companies, there are so many of companies, multinational companies or local companies. So what they got the profit in that in some of the money they using the development of society. So these like also we can see, but most of the strategy, most of the companies they using the strategy because of to get a profit. So in that place, in that strategy, in who is getting more effect here means only laborers or workers in that particular companies. So this like we can see, and corporate social responsibility CSR. So in that based on programs, the corporate companies they eradicating some of the problems of society, the problems of poverty or health issues or some other related problems of society. They solving. So these like of we can see corporate strategy also one of the important problems in that in we can see society nowadays they become as a negative side. People also they started to think as a negative way. If you are implemented any work or if you are invested money to any business or any purpose, so the main intention is only profit, not a service mind. So now we have the goal oriented programs or goal oriented employees or goal oriented business we are established in means that is one of the main goal, that is profit or illegal method we want to use and we want to get a profit. So these like also problems we are facing in India, that is corporate strategy. So this is main points about corporate strategy. Next class we can discuss about next another important topic. Okay, thank you.